84 Caprice Classic. Only got 64,000 original miles on it, guys. This thing is mint. He's gonna fully restore it. It's a one owner from what they told me. So I gotta let you guys see what we did on it. Got converter right there. This is how you do duals on these, boys and girls. So you put a Y pipe on it, run 2 intermediate pipes, 2 1/4. He didn't want it too loud, he wanted it classy. So we put some flow effects. Want a little bit of tone, not too much. We put 2 flow effects on it, there and there. Then 2 tailpipes, there and there. The flow effects number is 71415. There'll be a link in the description. Gold tips, as you guys can see. Brings back the classic Chevy bow ties, but gold. And we put it on for him. Right there and right there. Look at that. Just clean. Came out really nice. 1984 Chevy Caprice. And we ran all new exhaust for him, as you guys can see. So we did true dual system with a high flow cat right there. Then true dual all the way back, 2 1/4. Then 2-inch tailpipes on each side, there and there. And then he wanted some flat tips out the back, there and there. So we got it done for him, as you guys can see. So it's got a true dual 1984 Chevy Caprice Classic. There's a true dual system, guys, with Chevy bow ties. Gold. The gold tips. That is the gold standard right there. Give a guess? Needs a belt? Again? Yeah, baby. Again? There's sound decibels. That belt is right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. Like I told you guys, it's clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Man, that sounds good. I like it. 113. Yeah. That sounds amazing. Let it idle. That was good. Of this new exhaust note. Oh yeah, oh yeah. He's got a new belt on in the car. Oh, it's gone. It's warming up. Not bad, not bad. No more squeal. Got a good noise to it. It runs good. He's got to bring that back next. Get on that. Then we'll get a video of that. That's what it sounds like stock. Here you go. Brown on brown. True dual. Got them 26s on, or 24s, I'm not sure.